Yeah, focus body coding life, no photo every day. Yeah, remember, you see, we do no excuses. Are you ready? Let's go cross here 7. First, watch for yourself. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, that's the move. Remember, no excuses. So let's do it together. Are you ready? I'll switch the cameras. Let's do it together. Are you ready? Let's go. We can start with the left or with the right. Doesn't matter. Let's go with the left. We cross, we open, we cross and heel. Now with the right. Cross, open, cross and heel. Now again with the left. Let's go. 1, 2, 3 and heel. 1, 2, 3 and heel. Some will call that Suzi here. Cross, open, cross and heel. Cross, open, cross and heel. Last time with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Amazing. This is the move. Amazing. This is the move. Cross heel 7. Yeah. And you know what? Let's do another practice. I see that you're still here. Now, face to face. Are you ready? Yeah, no excuses. Let's do it. Imagine yourself staring in a mirror. Yeah, staring in the mirror. Yes, we can do it again with the left. Are you ready? Let's go. We cross, we open, we cross and heel, cross, open, cross, heel. Once again, go. Cross, open, cross, heel, cross, open, cross, heel. Now with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Now let's add rolling the shoulders. Let's do it with the move. Let's go. Rolling the shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, this is the move. This is the groove. Yeah. And if you're the serious student, yeah, you can join me in the studio. Yes, practice this move with me in the studio for free anytime you want. But how you can do that? You can check the link above, to the sides, below. Or if you're on Instagram, you can check the link in my bio to the YouTube channel and search for this move, cross heel number 7. Yes, cross heel 7, and join me in the studio practicing getting this move right into your bones. Yes, because repetition is the mother of skill. Anyway, I want you to remember these are universal moves. Universal, meaning you can use them in any kind of dance that you want. Salsa, hip hop, bachata, kizomba. By the way, salsa on 1 and on 2, because you can do them with the right or with the left. Doesn't matter. Yeah. And make sure to do this move today. Why today? Because tomorrow you have a new footwork. Cha-ching. Yes, new footwork every day. Marcus Bodycoding Live. So, make sure to do it today so we can meet tomorrow and learn a new footwork. See you tomorrow then.